Okay, we created data model, and also it's created what's sir? PD name, when parameter it's created. Now next job is what sir? Using this data model, we need to develop the template. At that moment, in case of 10G, we went to the MS Word. From there, we used to create that one, right? But here, we need not go to the MS Word. The MS Word functionalities are incorporated in the web-based only. That is the reason directly you can go to the new. Then where sir? Here itself, I have an option that is called as report. But one more thing, what you need to hear is we should have some sample data. We should have some sample data to build the reports and all. For that purpose, we are going to build the sample data by getting a get XML output. There we are getting directly XML output. We are getting right. Click on view means immediately we are getting XML output, right? Yes or no? That XML output here also we want, but directly it is not possible. If you need to click on this get XML output, then it's saying as please save this data model before getting XML file, and then click the get XML icon. Okay. Then go for the B173. I am giving the name as, let us say, data model 1. Click on save. Okay, and click on get XML output. Click on run. So we are going to get the XML does not appear to have any style information. So it is expecting here some value that is called as sales. Click on run. Then we are getting what's sir? Sales corresponding details we are getting. Click on one option is available here, export XML, save as sample data. This is what the option we need to use as a save as sample data. I am clicking on the save as sample data. This is mandatory step, sir. Get XML is mandatory step. Without that one, we cannot develop the report. Even in 10G also it is happening, but whenever you click on the view, it is coming in the XML output, right? That is what the sample data. But here specifically you need to click on the sample. You got it? Now, next point is we need to go for new. Then what, sir? Report you need to generate using your data model. Click on this report. Then we have here create new data model or use existing data model. I am clicking on use existing data model. I can select whatever existing data model is available. I can select this DM. Similarly, can I go for another report? In another report also I can select the same data model or not? This data model is now independent object. Yes or no? Whereas in case of 10G what, sir? It is a dependent of only one scope is only one report. Right. Now I selected data model 1. Click on next. This was the wizard one thing I said. Where reporting wizards are available here, whereas in 10G reporting wizards are not available. So this is the create report wizard. So I am asking to guide me. I don't know how to create it. That is the reason it is guide me. Click on next. Then it is guiding me, and what are the columns available? Those all columns it is giving to you. That is all columns you want. Select that one. Click on next. Then it is view report. Click on finish. Then you can see the report. It is asking the saving of this report. Let us say I am going for report 1. Click on save. I saved the report. Then we are going to get the output. As of now, we got no data found. Why? Because it is blank. Let us say I am giving here sales. Then go for apply. Then we are going to get sales corresponding data. If you want to go for some charts, how the look and feel is there, sir? Previously, whatever MS Word we developed, that same look and feel is there or not? And if you want to go for some charts kind of things, you can go for the edit report. Click on again this edit. Then whatever controls you are seeing here, these all controls are equivalent to your MS Word controls. If I go for the chart, this kind of charts are available. Once the chart is came, if you want to go for salary, is value, and department name as what's a label. You can select the department name as label. Okay, once your selection is completed, you can click on the save. You can click on the save, then go for your catalog. Go for your catalog, then shade folders, then B173. Your report is what, sir? These are report open. Then let us say I am trying to give you here names as one is sales. Okay. Then I want to give one more thing also I want to give. Click on apply first this one. Then we got your sales corresponding things we got. Sales, comma, marketing. Click on apply. Sales, comma, or semicolon. Actually, multiple values I should not type in this fashion. If I want multiple values means I need to provide the list of values. Then I need to do this one. But I didn't provide it. But exactly what the syntax is taking, I am not sure. Let us go and do the list of values also. To do the list of values, what I need to do, sir? Catalog, next, B173. This data model I need to modify. Click on edit. Then list of values. Then what, sir? Click on plus. Then I want to give the list of values name as, let us say, D name, LO, Vs. Then SQL query I want that is using demo, that is okay. Then I need to go for a query builder, an option will be available. If this option is not visible to you, then what you can do is go for the tab, query builder is available. Then go for HR. Okay, now it is coming, that is HR. Okay, let us go for the next word, sir. Departments, department name. Then click on save. This one I need to map with the parameter. Let us go for the parameter. Then it is a string. Then default value. This is what, sir? Menu. In the menu I need to map what, sir? Dname LBOVs. I am going for multiple selections. So select here multiple selections. Then click on save. That is that. If once it is completed, now you go for catalog, your report, that is this is what your report, click on open. Then I am going for the values, let us say one is marketing, second is called as sales. These two things I am taking, marketing and sales. Semicolon only available, okay, but I not sure. Maybe internally something else also is taking care. I given directly semicolon previously, it is taking as answer, the whole thing as a one value it is taking. If I go for the drop down and if I selected, that means what is happening, sir? It's treating as a two values. Some internal behavior it is going on. Am I clear? So marketing and sales corresponding things we are able to see it. So without taking help of MS Word, we are able to do it or not, sir? Right. And whatever report you developed here, this report you can directly integrate into the dashboard without any issues. I mean to tell, whatever report you develop, let us say I am going for another browser. Let us say I am going for something else. Okay. There I am going for analytics page, analytics, WebLogic, RR capital, rritec small, 1, 2, 3. Let us go for on dashboard. Click on this dashboard. I have some other dashboard, B173.2 something. In the dashboard, I want to go for edit dashboard. For clarity purpose, I am going for separate page. Let us say. The page 3, whatever I have here, let us say drag and drop first column. Then B173, just now we saved one thing, that is what, sir? BAP report is saved, right? With the name of what, sir? BAP report icon will be looks like this, sir. Let us go for R1. This R1 I am trying to drag and drop here. Then click on save, click on run. Then automatically we should be able to see our reports. Okay, we are able to see our reports or not? Yes. So if you want to integrate, means you can integrate it. That is, and if you want to edit from here directly also, you can go for that is that option. We have no option of edit here. Okay, we can edit from here only. Let us go for the catalog, and in the shared folders, next what, sir? B173, from here only you can edit. That is what, R1. Okay, so your reports, BAP reports, or it may be OBA reports, both are saving in same location as well, sir, web catalog. So simply you can drag and drop. There is no BA publisher dashboard object is available here. Am I clear? Take these notes. What did you do?
Ram, I have one question.
Yeah.
Yeah. Can we do conditional formatting in the BI reports in 11G? BI
Yes.
publishers.
Even 10G also can do conditional formatting.
Okay.
Okay. Right.
So like it's like say if I want to format the name that starts with M like Michael in red or green, then
Yeah, correct. Okay, we'll see that one. Right. Creating a data model using database, right? Okay. Open Mozilla browser. Open Mozilla browser. Open Mozilla browser. Open Mozilla browser. Type HTTP localhost 7001 XMLP server. Type HTTP localhost 7001 XMLP server. Type HTTP localhost 7001 XMLP server. WebLogic user. RR capital rritec small 123. Sign in. Sign in. Click on new. Click on data model. Click on new. Click on data model. Select data sets. Select data sets. Click on new data set. Click on new data set. Click on SQL query. Click on SQL query. Name it as HR data. Name it as HR data. Select data source as demo. Select data source as demo. Click on query builder. Click on query builder. Select HR schema. Select HR schema. Select HR schema. So problem is sometimes control is not going here. So even if I put the mouse also, control is not going here. What is the solution is, don't use mouse. Try to use the tab which is available in the keyboard. If you see, I am going to press the shift and tab, then going to that location. Okay, if I press normal tab means going forward, right? Shift tab means what? So it goes the backward. Once it is available in that location, now it is working fine. See here, down arrow mark also I am keeping, it is working fine. Even the HR means I can select the HR. Some problem with the mouse clicking is there. So that solution is you can use the keyboard tab option, you can use it. Am I clear? Right. Select schema HR. This may not be available with your systems also. Okay. Right. Schema as HR. Select schema as HR. Click on employees and departments table. Click on employees and departments table. Select first name, last name, job ID, salary. Select first name, last name, job ID, salary, department name, department name. Click on department ID in both the tables. 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 Click on conditions. Click on conditions. In department name row, under conditions, type in department name row, under conditions, type and in space, bracket open, colon PD name, Click on SQL. Click on results. Click on results. Type sales OK. Click on results, type sales OK. Type sales OK. Click on save. Click on OK. Click on save. Click on OK. Again OK. Click on save. Click on OK. Again OK. Again OK. 3 times, sir. 3 times OK. Select list of values. Select list of values. Click on create new list of values. Click on create new list of values. Name it as dname LOVs. Name it as dname LOVs. Name it as dname LOVs. Dname LOVs. Click on query builder. These all things by default there are skill query and demo, sir. Okay, that's the reason I am going for directly query builder. Select here. Click on query builder. Select HR schema. Select HR schema. Click on departments. Click on departments. Select department name. Select department name. Click on save. Click on save. Select parameter PD name. Select parameter PD name. Select parameter PD name. Select parameter type menu. Select parameter type menu. List of values dname LOVs. List of values dname LOVs. List of values dname LOVs. Select multiple selections. Select multiple selections. Select multiple selections. Select multiple selections. Select all values passed. Select all values passed. Select all values passed. Click on save. Click on save. Name it as data model 1. Data model, that's it. Data model. Data model 1. Click on save. Click on save. Click on get XML output. Click on get XML output. Click on get XML output. Select all. Select all. Select all. Click on run. Select all. Click on run. Click on run. Click on open menu. This button is called as open menu, sir. Beside written we have one button, right? That is called as open menu. Click on open menu. Click on open menu. Click on save as sample data. Click on save as sample data. Click on open menu. Click on save as sample data. Finally, click on save. Finally, click on save. Step 2. Creating report. Step 2. Creating report. Step 2. Creating report. Click on new. Click on report. Click on new. Click on report. Click on use existing data model. Click on use existing data model. Use existing data model. Use existing data model. Select B173 data model 1. Select B173 folder. Select B173 folder. Data model 1. Data model 1. Click on next. Again next. Click on next. Again next. Select all the columns. Select all the columns. Select all the columns. Click on next. Click on finish. Click on next. Click on finish. Name it as BIP report 1. Name it as BIP report 1. Name it as BIP report 1. BIP report 1. Okay, next. It is running, sir. With all values is running, right? It's taking some time. That is the reason we selected one option, right? Can select all, pass null value, or you want to pass all values. There we selected actually in our notes, select all values I selected. But previously, when I'm doing the exercise, I selected null values. I selected. That means user selects all means pass the null. That is the reason we will not get any data under. Okay, if you pass all the things, means take some more time under. Okay, anyhow, now I want to open. That means I can discontinue this one. Click on this home somewhere. Okay, now it's came. Now if you go for here, what's sir? Edit. Here we have the edit report option, right, sir? Click on actions. This button is now called as actions. This button is now called as actions. Click on actions. That it like this buttons. Please write the what is called symbol also, sir. Okay, so that you can identify very easily. Otherwise, you need to search for actions, which is a bit difficult. Click on actions. Click on edit report. Again edit. Click on chart. Click on chart. Drag and drop salary. Drag and drop salary onto value or y-axis. Drag and drop department name onto x-axis. Drag and drop department name onto label or x-axis. Drag and drop salary onto value or y-axis. Drag and drop department name onto x-axis or label. Axis or label. Click on save. Click on save. Next, step 3. Step 3. Step 3. Axing BIP report. Axing BIP report. Click on catalog. Click on catalog. Click on catalog. B173. 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 Click on open. Click on open of BIP report 1, right? Click on open of BIP report 1. Click on open of BIP report 1. Observe output. Observe output. Observe output. Next. Step 4. Integrating BIP report into dashboard. 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 Log into analytics. Log into analytics. Log into analytics. Click on dashboards and select any dashboard. Click on dashboards and select any dashboard. Click on dashboard and select any dashboard. Click on page options, edit dashboard. Click on page options, edit dashboard. Click on new page. Click on add dashboard page. Click on add dashboard page. Name it as BIP. Name it as BIP. Click on OK. Click on OK. Name it as BIP. Click on OK. Drag and drop column dashboard object. Drag and drop column dashboard object. Drag and drop column dashboard object. Drag and drop BIP report 1. Drag and drop BIP report 1. Click on save, click on run. 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 Okay. So this is what the BAP, sir. BAP 10G and 11G. What I am expecting from you people is I given some hands on
Here,
fly.
here we cannot make the selection.